Good morning, children. Today we are continuing the sample paper discussion of biology from class 10. I included 6 questions with some subdivisions. Let's come to the question. Okay. These are the questions asked in the previous board examinations, and it will be very useful for you to get an idea, understanding about the type of questions being asked for the board examination in the previous years. Okay, the first question, what is genetics? Genetics is the branch of science which deals with the study of genes and the heredity. Okay, heredity means that process by which organisms, resemble their parents. Organisms resemble their parents, or how the characteristics are being inherited through the genes from one generation to another generation. Okay, that is called genetics. And what are genes? Where are they located? Genes are the factors, hereditary factors that carry the hereditary information from one generation to the another generation. So genes are the functional units of DNA. Genes present in the DNA, DNA is in the chromosome, and chromosomes are normally found inside the nucleus. Okay? So genes are the functional units that determine the inheritance, process of inheritance. And also they, store, they encode what we call the entire process of the cell, entire functions of the cell. They control the cell division and reproduction, and they control the protein synthesis, and everything is controlled. Even the secondary sexual characters, increasing height, everything is controlled by the gene. Okay. Now the second question. Who is regarded as the father of genetics? Of course, you know Gregor Johann Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel is considered the father of genetics. Name the plant on which he performed the experiment. The Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum or mutter. Pisum sativum or mutter. That is his experimental material. Now the third question. Write the functions of the following parts of a female reproductive organ. Ovary. Ovary is the main primary reproductive organ of the female, which has two important functions. One, they produce the various hormones like estrogen. Many other hormones are secreted during the pregnancy or even during the pregnancy time. Okay, right. So ovary mainly produce a hormone estrogen that control all the reproductive cycle in female. Okay. Ovary also produce the female gamete we call egg or ovum. So there are two functions for the ovary. They secrete female sex hormone called estrogen, and also they produces every 28 to 30 months, 30 days. Every 28 to 30 days each ovary produces. Any of these two ovary, not both ovary, any of this ovary produces one egg or ovum, that is called a female reproductive cell. Okay, now fallopian tube is the very thin tube-like structure in which the fertilization takes place in the human female. Okay, fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete takes place in the fallopian tube or oviduct. Okay, now uterus. Uterus is the muscular sac-like structure which is responsible for implantation and the growth of the fetus. Okay, right. And also it is the uterus that has placenta during the pregnancy time and supply oxygen nutrients to the fetus. And through this placenta of the uterus, the waste material from the fetus pass on to the mother's body. Okay, right. Now fourth question. Mention the organ and the site of photosynthesis in plants. Okay, of course you know the organ of photosynthesis is, photosynthetic organ is leaf, but photosynthetic apparatus we can say chloroplast. And photosynthesis has two stages, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction takes place in the thylakoid or grana, whereas dark reaction happens in the stroma, that is the matrix inside the chloroplast. What are the raw materials essential for photosynthesis? Water and carbon dioxide. How do the plants get this? Carbon dioxide they get from the environment. Through stomata, the carbon dioxide is diffused into the cell. Okay? And carbon dioxide also they get during the respiration. During respiration time, the amount of carbon dioxide is utilized for photosynthesis. And also they get it from outside through stomata. Plants absorb water from the soil. Okay, plants absorb water from the soil, root pressure, then transpiration pull or suction pull, everything help in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil by the root hair. Right. Now, fifth one. What is the byproduct? Oxygen is the byproduct. Oxygen is the byproduct. Now, fifth one. A gas is evolved during photosynthesis. Name the gas and the way in which gas is evolved. Okay. The gas evolved during photosynthesis is oxygen. Oxygen is the byproduct. And this gas is evolved by splitting of the water molecule in the presence of sunlight. This is called photolysis of water. By splitting the water molecules split into hydrogen, oxygen and electron. That oxygen accumulate. When two oxygen atoms combine together and form one molecule of oxygen, the oxygen will be diffused out through the stomata. Okay. Now, sixth one, certain group of plants, stomata remain closed during the daytime. How is food synthesized in such a plant? Name them. Certain group of plants become desert plants or xerophytes like cactus, opuntia, asparagus, euphorbia, sorghum. Many types of desert plants or xerophytes are there. They close their stomata during daytime to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. They close the stomata during the daytime. They open the stomata during the night. During the night, when they open the stomata, they absorb carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is converted into an intermediate compound. This intermediate compound will be stored in plants or chloroplast. During daytime, when the sunlight available, this carbon dioxide will be used up for the photosynthetic process. Okay, these are the important points coming in this part. Thank you very much.